Good morning. It's good to have you with me this morning. I'm going to color correct my age spots and sunspots with the color Sunlit. I'm going to use my 3D brush, which is very dense, and stipple in the color into my skin. I'm going to take the color Aspen and use it to cover my red on my face, my broken capillaries and scars. I'm taking my lightest highlight, which is Moonlit, and priming my eyes. I'm loading up my multitasker brush with the second color, Candlelit. I put it on my cheeks and my forehead, and then I'm going to take my smudge brush, load it up with my contour, which today I'm using tan lines. I usually use indigo, but I'm experimenting. Taking my blush and bronzer brush. It's excellent for stippling in all my colors and blending things together. Contouring my nose using my detail brush. Tan lines on my neck. Ooh, look at that lovely color. I use Hollywood and Sangria together. Now I'm lightly using my blush and bronzer brush to blend everything in. Black cherry on my lips. And I'm halfway done. Ugh, I'm such a nerd. I hope you have a great day. Why look like this when you can look like this? If you enjoyed hanging with this crazy lady, click like. If you'd like a color match, put color match in the comments. Have a great day.